This quick guide will teach you how to upload an image in Salesforce. Whether you're working with a lead, an account, or even a case, adding images can be a crucial part of managing your data effectively. Today, I'll show you how to do just that in a few simple steps. First, let's start by opening the specific record where you want to upload the image. This could be any record type, such as a lead, an account, or a case, depending on where you need to add your image. Once you've navigated to the correct record, you're ready to locate the section where you'll be uploading your image. Next, take a look at the layout of your page. On the right-hand side, or within the Related tab, you should see a section labeled Files. This is where you'll be managing the images and other file uploads for your record. The Files section is designed to make it easy to store, access, and manage your documents directly within Salesforce. Now, you have two options for uploading your image. If you prefer the drag and drop method, simply drag your image file from your computer and drop it into the Files section. This method is quick and intuitive, leveraging the ease and familiarity of dragging files around on your computer. Alternatively, if you prefer a more traditional approach, or if you're working with several files at once, you can click on the Upload Files button within the Files section. Clicking this button will open a dialog box where you can browse your computer's directories. Navigate to the location where your image is stored, select the file, and then click Open to upload it. It's important to note that Salesforce supports a variety of image formats, so whether your file is a JPEG, PNG, or another common type, you should be able to upload it without any issues. Checking your file format before uploading can save you time and prevent any potential hiccups in the process. Once your image has been successfully uploaded, it will appear in the Files section of your record. From here, you can manage the file as needed, view it, download it, or even share it with others who have access to the same Salesforce record. This centralized approach to file management within Salesforce not only keeps things organized, but also ensures that all relevant information is readily accessible to those who need it. Remember, adding images to your records can enhance the data you're working with, providing visual context that might be crucial for understanding the information at hand. Whether it's a product image, a client logo, or any other type of visual data, integrating images effectively can significantly enrich your record-keeping process. And there you have it. Uploading images in Salesforce is straightforward once you know where to look and what to do. With these steps, you can easily attach images to any record, enhancing your data management capabilities and making your Salesforce experience even more productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.